students. Today we are going to continue our study of the first chapter in macroeconomics. In our last class we studied meaning of macroeconomics, macroeconomic variables or aggregates, and sectors of economy. As you know, on the basis of sectors, two types of economy exist. One, closed economy, in which there are existence of only two sectors, namely household and firm. This type of economy is called a simple economy. The other is open economy. In an open economy, another sector comes into play which is not related to domestic territory of an economy. Domestic territory means all those economic territories, which you may call it sector as well, that exist in a domestic economy. Like if you say Indian economy, then all those sectors that exist in Indian economy, they are called domestic territory. And in today's global world, no single economy is sufficient enough to produce the goods of their requirement or any other economic activities. That is why they are interacted. They interact with other economies of world. So all those sectors outside domestic territory, they are collectively called rest of the world or external sector. Today, our course of study will be how these sectors interact to generate income or output. When we study this aspect, we come to know that different sectors are interdependent. It means that household all alone cannot fulfill its all requirements, neither the firm can fulfill its all requirements, nor the government will fulfill its all requirement, or rest of the world. That is why there is a kind of interdependence among them. This interdependence is clear when we study circular flow of income or money. Let me tell you that this circular flow of income or money is simply defined as systematic flow of payments and receipts from one economic unit to another economic units. It is maintained in a systematic manner and it is regular, ever-ending interaction. That is why usually we call it circular flow. For example, household provide services, which you may call it more clearly factor services, to firm. This is one flow. And in return, firm provides goods and services to household. This is called the other flow. In return of the services provided by household, firm pays them back, which is called factor income. Income that is paid back by firm can be termed as salary, wages, rent, interest, etc. The same income which is received by household as their factor payment factor income is paid back to the firm for different kinds of goods and services that they receive to fulfill their needs. In this way, we can understand how output or income is regularly maintained in a proper cyclic manner in an economy. That is why it is called circular flow. If we try to study circular flow of income, then first we must understand that three basic type of model exist. First, two-sector model of an economy, in which there are only two sectors, as I told you earlier also, that those two sectors are household and farm. Farm means producers. Second, three-sector model of an economy. They include household, farm, and government. And four-sector model of an economy. They include household, farm, government, and rest of the world. Out of these three model of an economy, we need to study only one. As three-sector model of an economy and four-sector model of an economy, they are not included in our academic syllabus. Now, it means that what we have to understand is how flow of income or money is maintained in a two-sector model. Before showing it through diagram, let me tell you that each and every circular flow includes basically two types of flow. Two types of flow. One is